Kiss Nails were kind enough to send me all these products, and I decided to give my niece a nail makeover with the acrylic nail set as she starts university soon. We decided to go with natural looking French nails. This kit comes with almost everything you need except nail polish remover. I started by arranging the nails size wise, starting from the thumb till the pinky finger. They have a couple of options for each nail, so I picked the one that fits the best. Then I started by buffing the top of a nail to remove any shine and make it a bit rough so that the fake nail grips on better. Then I cleansed every nail with nail polish remover. Now pushing in the cuticle a bit, this orange stick is a part of the kit. Now comes the fun part, fixing the nails. I added 2 drops of the glue on the back of the fake nail and 1 drop on her natural nail, and then fixed it from cuticle to the tip. Did the same for all the other nails, and voila! She has fresh set of acrylic nails at home. This kit is super budget friendly and I completely recommend it. The glue is safe to use as long as you remove the nails safely. My niece is an athlete, been playing badminton, tennis, and her nails look amazing even after a week. I think I am a convert as this is such an easy and time-saving process.